Hi, welcome to the first lesson of the quadratic equation course. The first lesson we're going to do today is expanding double brackets. Our learning objective is to expand double brackets in expressions. Before we start double brackets, let's revise a little bit the single brackets that we have done before. I got 4 questions for you here to try, so you can stop the video and try them. Fine, I think you have tried, so let's do it together. Okay, the first one is very easy. First one is 3x minus 24 minus x. Let's go to the second one. Minus 4 times minus x, that's 4x. Minus and minus gives you plus. Minus 4 times plus 2, that's minus 8. This one, minus 3x times x, that's minus 3. And x times x gives you x squared. And minus 3x times 1 gives you minus 3x. This one here, minus 2 times x, that gives you minus 2x. And then it gives you minus 14. I done that. Minus 5 times x, that gives you minus 5x. And minus 5 times minus 3, that gives you plus 15. Are they any like terms? Yes, I got minus 2x here, and I got minus 5x there. If I collected them and added them together, I got minus 7x. But also I got minus 14 plus 15, and that gives you 1. Okay, today's lesson is expanding double brackets. So we got 2 brackets instead of 1. But how we're going to do exactly the same way as we done with the single brackets, but we're going to repeat the steps twice. So we're going to take x, and we're going to times x, everything in the second bracket. The same way as we done the single brackets. And then we come back to the 2, and we're going to times and simplify. So let's start. X times x, x squared. X times 3 is 3x. I finish with x. 2 times x, 2x. And 2 times 3 is 6. So this is what I got. Now collect it like terms. 2 middle terms here are like terms. Add them together. That gives you 5x. What is done? Okay, here we are. X minus x, again, that gives you x squared. X times 5, that's 5x. Minus 2 times x, that's minus 2x. Minus 2 times 5, that's minus 10. Collect it like terms. Always the middle 2 terms are like. So 3x, 5x minus 2 is 3x, minus 10. This one, again same, we do x squared. This time both operations are negative, x squared, minus 4x, plus squared. And we got minus x, and finally minus 1 minus 4 gives you plus 4. Okay, let's write x squared minus 4x minus 5. Minus 4x minus x gives you minus 5x plus 4. Last example, x plus 7 squared. This is x plus 7 twice. So we got x plus 7, and again we got another x plus 7. That's what the square means. Let's expand this. So if we do, we got x squared plus 7x. We finish with x. So let's do now the 7. So if I start with the 7, I got 7 times x with 7x, and 7 times 7 which is 49. 14x plus 49. Okay, that's how you expand double brackets. Okay, I got here a few questions for you to try. You can stop the video and try them. Okay, I think you have tried, so let's do it together. First one is easy, so let's do it. X squared, 2x, I finish with x. Let me start with minus 8. That gives you minus 8x minus 16. Okay, that's x squared minus 6x, because 2x minus 8x gives you minus 6x minus 16. This one is x minus 2 twice. That's what the square is telling us. Expand there. X times x, x squared. X times minus 1 minus x. Minus 1 times x minus x. Minus 1 times minus 1 plus 1. Well, that gives you x squared. What's minus x minus x? 2x minus 2x plus y. This one there, x plus this, let's do this one, x squared, x times 4, 4x, I finish with x, minus 4 times x, that's minus 4x, and minus 4 plus 4, that's minus 16, x squared, 4x minus 4x, that's nothing, so that's where you go. As we see later, this one is a square, and this one is a square, so when we see expressions like this, we'll call them a difference of two squares, so that's minus between them, that's where the difference comes from. Find expression of the area of the following rectangle. The good news is we started applying double brackets in a real life. This is square here, can be anything, it can be your room, it can be a playground, it can be anything, so we're applying. So how do we find area of a rectangle? We all know it's length times width. What is our length now? That's x plus 5. And what is our width? Our width is x plus 2. Okay, you see we got a perfect double bracket. Let us expand it. X times x squared. X times 2 is 2x. I finish with x. 5 times x, 5x. 5 times 2 is 10. So this is what we got. Collected like terms. 2x plus 5x. That's 7x plus 10. And that's the end. Okay, that's the end of the lesson. Thank you for listening. I hope you enjoy. And there's a worksheet that goes with this lesson. Make sure that you complete the worksheet. Use the answer sheet to mark your work. Again, see you in lesson 2.